In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io to find emails efficiently. Whether you're a sales professional, a recruiter, or just someone looking to enhance your outreach strategy, mastering the use of Apollo.io can significantly streamline your email prospecting process. Let's dive right in and explore this powerful platform step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Apollo.io's homepage. Pull up your favorite web browser, type in the Apollo.io address, and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you find leads, grow your network, and boost your productivity. With the homepage up, your next move is to locate and click on the People tab. This is where you can find a comprehensive list of potential leads. The People section is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for you to search for and identify individuals who are relevant to your needs. Once you're in the People section, it's time to start searching for the leads that interest you. Begin by entering your search criteria, such as name, company, industry, or any other relevant keyword that aligns with your goals. After you've conducted your search, you'll see a list of leads populate on the screen. Don't forget to scroll to the side of this list. This horizontal navigation is necessary to view additional information available in the lead profiles. Now, after you've scrolled sideways, you're ready for the exciting part, seeing emails. As you scroll, you'll observe a column with email addresses of the leads. This feature is incredibly helpful because it saves you from the usual hassle of searching for contact details separately, letting you access the information directly from Apollo.io's interface. Select the email that you want by clicking on it. This step is crucial because it ensures the email is highlighted for your next action. Once you click, a small window should typically appear that confirms your selection. Finally, it's time to copy that email. In the interface, you'll notice an option to copy email. Click it, and the email address is immediately copied to your clipboard. This is a handy feature, especially if you're working across multiple platforms or need to compile a list of contacts quickly. Once copied, you can paste it into your email client, a CRM, or wherever you need the information. This step is the final piece of the puzzle to manage your communications efficiently. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use Apollo.io to find and copy emails, making your outreach efforts a breeze. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to more effective and efficient networking. As you continue to use Apollo.io, you'll find your own rhythm and discover additional features that can further streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching and happy prospecting.